we are going to make Kale Mallum. Mallum is a sambal. It's a kind of a stir fry. So we need kale for that. And I have an onion tree and a carrot tree growing in my home indoor garden. So I'm going to use the leaves of these onions and carrots as well. I'm just going to pluck the leaves like this and wash them and use them. I have 1/4 of an onion, half a green chili, some lime juice is needed, and here I have some salt, 1/4 a cup, 1/4 a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 a teaspoon of turmeric. I have some coconut, 3 tablespoons of coconut, some water for the stir fry because I don't use oil. Oil is not good for you. It gets you cholesterol, so stay away from you as much as you possibly can. Then in this, we have crushed chili. I have one dried chili crushed, and this is some garbanzo beans. This is 1/4 a teaspoon of garbanzo beans, 1 curry leaf, 1/4 a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let me chop my kale and come right back. Apitan, I'm sorry, I'm used to saying my videos in Sinhalese. We cut our kale like this. So we're gonna add some water to our pan, and then we're gonna on the stove. Okay. And I'm gonna wait till the water boils. Don't use oil. Oil is very unhealthy for you. Use healthy alternative, which is water. It does the same job. Let's wait till the water boils. The water is starting to boil. Now we are going to add our ingredients. We are going to cook it. To this, we are going to add the onion and the green chilies and cook it thoroughly. Now we are going to add the salt and the other ingredients, and then the leaves. Mix it thoroughly again. I added a little bit more water, and then I'm going to let this cook. Now we'll add the coconut. Mix it again. Now we are going to add some lime juice. This is our finished product. This is our Kale Mallum. Thank you. Take care.